Morning, guys. Look at my delicious latte from the bakery across the street and a croissant. Croissants are really good out here. Hey guys, so today is our last day in the island and we're just walking around town because we've been doing so many activities, water sport activities and stuff like that, and tours that we never really got the chance to just walk around this whole little plaza in Zakynthos, which is really nice, by the way. I highly recommend it. Look back there. The houses are high. Anyways, yeah, so that's what we're doing. Just walking around because we have to be at the airport at 4 and it's still kind of early. We checked that out of the Airbnb. And yeah, we're just walking around and probably gonna grab some lunch in a few minutes. And I'll show you guys what that is. Here we have a couple of souvenir shops. Hey guys, so I wanted to point out that this area here actually reminds me a lot of Cartagena, Colombia, the way it looks. Like if you ever been to Cartagena, Colombia, the little plaza, the old La Ciudad Murallada, the old village. It's not like a village, the old town with the high walls and the ocean behind it. This is what that looks like. Zakynthos Town. Hey guys, so we're actually gonna attempt to go to a viewpoint to get this beautiful view even up higher. So I'll leave the name right here so that way you guys can know the name and the location. And I've seen some people trekking up there, but we're gonna take the car and attempt to go as high as we can because it's kind of like a scary road to get up there. But I'm gonna attempt it for you guys. So we're gonna go. And look at the view. The view just down here is just as beautiful. And look at the water, it's spectacular. Very beautiful. Hey guys, so this beautiful houses back here that have that incredible view over there, I thought it was just people like, you know, the normal people that live in these houses. Nobody's living in it. All those houses there They look like nice luxury houses. They're all abandoned, like nobody lives there. So we looked online and we think that maybe nobody lives there because Greece filed for bankruptcy back in 2009, which is why around the island we keep seeing a lot of beautiful houses like these abandoned, like nobody's living in them.
So this place does fresh juices. And they have a juicer and they put all the fruits inside of it and it comes out.
Hey guys, so this is the drink. Freshly juiced. Delicious.
10 out of 10.
So good. Here in Zakynthos Town.
That was pricey.
How much was it?
5.
€5 for a freshly squeezed, not squeezed, juiced. They used the juicer.
Compared to other juices that are $2 or €3.
Yeah, but it's because it's in a juicer.
Yeah.
Guys, look how clear the water is right here. So beautiful. Hey guys, I'm trying to rush here because we just flew in from Zakynthos into Athens and we may miss our connecting flight to Istanbul. They gave us 3 hours, like we had like a 3-hour gap, but I don't ever trust those 3-hour gaps because you never know if there's any delays. There was a delay with our flight in Zakynthos, so now we're like rushing, trying not to get to the gate to see if they'll let us fly to Istanbul. So hopefully we're able to make that flight. I'm heading there by myself because my husband's waiting for the luggage and I'm trying to see if maybe they'll still let us on board because of that delay in Zakynthos. So if you have a 3-hour delay and you got to recheck everything, a 3-hour layover, and you got to recheck everything for another country, I wouldn't risk it. I would try to book something a little earlier, just in case there's delays, especially coming from little islands. There's tend to be delays. Hey guys, so we're actually really excited because we were able to board this flight. We really thought that we weren't gonna make it because our flight was delayed in Zakynthos, and it turned out that this flight was also delayed, so that's what saved us, that this flight was also delayed. So I'll see you guys when we get to Turkey. I'm gonna show you guys the plane. We got state-of-the-art little TV here with all kinds of movies and TV show, and this is a pretty big plane for just 1-hour flight to Turkey. English. They have every language in here. Oh my god, where's English?
This is a newer plane.
English. This is a newer plane? Okay. Hey guys, so we finally made it to Turkey. It's 1 a.m. We're really tired. We're just waiting for our baggage claim, and we'll be heading to the hotel, and I'm gonna end this video here, and we'll have a fresh new start date tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Guys, look what they're picking us up in from the hotel service. Nice little limo. It's included in our price.